Hello and welcome to another session of Mindful Data Mine. In today's session, we will be discussing about a procedure known as proc content. So without wasting any further time, let's start with the practical. Proc contents is basically used to get the details of a particular data set. So the general syntax for writing proc contents is proc contents followed by dataset name, let's say SAS help.cars run. When we use this and run it, we get the details of that particular data set. Okay, so the member type is data, that is data set. Engine used is V9. This is created on 6th of August 2020, last modified on 6th of August 2020. Total number of observation is 428, variables are 15, observation length is 152. The dataset is sorted, okay, and the dataset label is 2004 car data. The data representation is Solaris and encoding used is ANSI. Apart from this, it will also give engine or host information, okay, followed by the variable details. So these are the variable. By default, these are in ascending orders: C, D, E, H, I, L. This is an ascending order. And hash represents the position of that particular variable. So for example, make is on first position. Type represents data type, numeric or character. Then we have length, format, and label. If the data set is sorted, then we'll get the sort information sorted by make type. That means it has been sorted by make type variable. Then we have validated yes, character set used as ANSI. So these are the information which are provided by proc contents. In case if we want to see details of all the data sets available inside SAS help, what we can do is we can use underscore all underscore in this case. Okay, now SAS will generate report for all the data sets which are available in SAS help. So this proc content is important from SAS basis certification perspective. Okay, so the content is larger than 3 MB. That is why SAS is asking whether we want to generate or display the data, or we do not want to display the data. I'll say display anyway. So now we got the data. Okay, and now we are getting the details of all the data sets. Okay, one after the other. So first we are getting the details of the library followed by the member details. So if you see, we have a data set ASUMP, which is of data type, that is, it's a data set. Again, we have an index associated with it. Similarly, for this second data set, we have an index. This is the file size as well, and the last modified date. Now, once this is displayed, in the next section, it will talk about the individual dataset and their related attributes. So this is how we can use proc content. This is important from basis certification perspective because one of the questions would be asked related to proc contents in basis. Kindly let me know in comments if you have any queries, doubts related to Proc Contents. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.